Day one back at Queen's Park, and everyone is eager and anxious to get back to the business of governing this province. And that means everyone has an agenda, including the opposition, who wants to ask questions of this government. The bells rang as though it was the first day back at school, albeit more than halfway through October. MPPs back in their seats with quick statements before getting to the business at hand. Day one meant the Ford government introducing its Reducing Gridlock bill, which includes speeding up the process for new highways to be built, including the controversial 413.
Every single day, people could be saving an hour each way if we had that highway built. We've studied this for 20 plus years. It's about making sure that people can spend more time with their families, not stuck behind gridlock.
The legislation involves quicker access to properties and accelerating environmental assessments, something Premier Ford emphasized on day one back in the House.
No, we aren't going to take them away. We're just going to speed them up, and we're going to get shovels in the ground as quickly as possible.
NDP opposition leader Marit Stiles immediately stood up and took the opportunity to raise questions about the RCMP's investigation into the Greenbelt scandal.
Can the Premier tell us who those individuals are and how many still work in his office?
I don't believe that they don't know the answers to those questions. They chose to not respond to them.
Former Housing Minister Steve Clark, who resigned from the position in light of the scandal, says he has yet to be interviewed despite the investigation being well on the way.
I remain committed to working with the RCMP. I haven't spoken to them yet, but I just like I said to you the last time we met, as is our entire government, we're going to cooperate fully.
In a surprise move the morning of the legislature's return, the Ford government announced that former Liberal Federal Health Minister Dr. Jane Philpott would be leading a new action team charged with finding more primary care for more people in the province.
Will the minister commit to adhering to the recommendations that Jane Philpott will make so that everyone can benefit from primary health care teams across the province?
She has ensured that the first 100 days are all going to be about where are the opportunities, what is the actual number that we need to work towards, and then yes, together we will get this done.
Back to the Reducing Gridlock bill, Minister Sakaria was asked repeatedly today by the media how much it was going to cost to build Highway 413, and he refused to answer. Mark McAllister, City News.